Hi there. In this video, I will be showing you how to reallocate funds or to make adjustments. What this means is in the previous video, in one of the other videos where we discussed the payment and how it is done from our system, I'm mentioning that our payments, basically the payments for the services, are divided into DBS fees and admin fees, depending on the service, of course. However, sometimes for some reason, it can happen that you have more than enough funds into your DBS fees, but not enough in the admin fees, or the other way around. For this reason, we have an option, a system into place where you can reallocate these funds based on your needs. How that is done? All you need to do is just click on this payment tab onto your top headline menu and navigate to the Adjust DBS and Admin Fees. This will then take you to the adjustments list page where you can choose whether you wish to transfer from your DBS fees to your admin fees or from your admin fees to DBS fees. All you need to do is just select the transfer and how much you wish to transfer into your admin fees. Once you're happy with the chosen amount, you just click proceed and the system will automatically swap between the DBS fees and admin fees, and you will have enough to cover the cost for the service. That's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful.